One of the most important things to know about immigration law in the US actually now, and especially in Texas, is that a process that used to exist called bonding someone out or being out on bond in immigration court is essentially over. Not everyone understands this, that there used to be a process by which if you go into immigration court, you could have a bond hearing and someone could negotiate an amount of money that you or someone you know could post so that you could go and be with your family or with loved ones or just continue working or doing what else you were doing until the time when you meet with the immigration judge and a final disposition of your status here in the United States can be decided. That whole process is gone. The way that immigration law is being practiced or enforced in the United States now is that if you're picked up by immigration or by law enforcement of some kind and turned over to immigration, that there is not going to be a bond hearing for you except under extremely urgent or specific circumstances. In general, you're going to go back to the country that they decide you're supposed to go back to, and it could mean spending a significant amount of time in detention, which is a very unpleasant experience. So what we are seeing now more and more is that when people are being picked up, when people are being put into detention, they are ready to go back because they know there is no way out of the detention. So currently the situation is not so much about bond hearings. Now many lawyers are starting to look at the issue of habeas corpus. People talk about habeas corpus in legal dramas and in movies that kind of file this thing. What it means is, let's have the body, or show me the body, habeas corpus. You can only bring a case of wrongful detention. That is what a habeas corpus case is, that you believe someone is being wrongly or improperly detained. But in order to file a case like that and to free the person or to make sure the state or whoever is keeping the person proves that A, they have the right person, that B, that person is supposed to even be there, and that C, that they are there under some sort of actual color of law, that there's a law that makes sure that they're supposed to be detained, you have to file that case exactly in the district where that person is. So that is very complicated because one of the ways the current administration is avoiding habeas corpus cases is by moving people from one institution to another, to another, to another, so that lawyers can't actually physically file the habeas corpus papers in the district where the person is being